Hello and welcome back. We are back again with our series on movement. I have here an example that is pretty much the same as before. So if I run this, you can see I have a character that I can run, that I can move up, down, left and right in a program very similar to the one I had before with my spaceship. I have a different graphic, but pretty much the same code that I had before. So this is where we were. The only thing I have added now is I have added these images here. I made in a graphics program, wait, let me show you. That is, I made these images of a graphics character. I will use only 4 of the images now. I will use the forward, backwards facing, and one walking left, one walking right. And so I have put these in here so that in this version of the game, I can actually use 4 different images to show which version, which direction I'm walking in. So here, if you look at this particular frame that I have here, I'm creating a dictionary. I can see I have 4 entries in the dictionary. The key is a string. The value is an image. I have associated with the string left, a left-facing image, associated with the string right, a right-facing image, associated with up, this image where I see the character from the back, and when I go down, I see the character from the front. So I have created here the player images dictionary with my 4 images in it. And so what I can do now is when I want to call my move method, I do not only pass in the direction in which I want to move, I also pass in an image. So I add a parameter here and I say player image, and then I take, I'm going left here, so I'm taking my entry for left. I can, by the way, I can just copy that here, including the comma maybe, and then I can just put it in here and say there I take the image that I've stored under the right string, and the same of course for up and for down. So I put in the parsing of the image. This will not work, of course, because my move direction doesn't accept an image. So I need to also adjust that here and say image. And then I just add here, in addition to setting the location, so changing the position, I also say set image and put in the image that I pass in. So if I do this now, try that out. That's my character. I'm facing left, I'm facing right, I'm facing up, I'm facing down. So I have my next version of 4 directional movement. The first version with the spaceship, of course, I have selected my icon very carefully with the spaceship so that I have one icon that can move in all directions and I don't need different graphics. But if I have something like a person, then you may want to have different pictures for moving up and down. You can also imagine that you have say a car in a car driving game with a top-down view, or you have some kind of other animal with top-down views where you may want different images for different directions. And that is how you do it. See you next time.